And since some music is flagged and some music is too loud and some music is too heavy or whatever, I'll put a CD in it from a small band, two girls, All the King's Daughters, and they are, is this the CD? I think so. Oh, it's in there. Okay. Well, it's not gonna be flagged anyways as well, hopefully, because they're not that big of a band. Not sure what to play. I think I will playing Lonesome Man because we did it before on the Bluetooth version. Or not.
Told you I'd come,
oh, wrong one.
Just fine.
Not sure how loud to put it.
I was looking for some work, got caught up in your storm. I am silent as the grave, didn't need to be saved. Just say my name, once in a while, once in a while. You lonesome man, you dark as the night, funny shade of gray there in your eyes. When you lie, I can see you, lonesome man. And although you are the one I don't belong to, I know you well, you lonesome man. What are you looking for? Tell me what you're looking for. I felt so long you needed more. Please stop knocking at my door. Like every season fall will pass, like every day the night won't last. But for you, my darling, it will. But it's okay, it's just a game. Oh, what a waste, you lonesome man. I once gave you the time to warm your heart and to warm mine, but it didn't change, you're still the same. What are you looking for? Tell me what you're looking for. I felt so long you needed more. Please stop knocking at my door. I don't write you, I don't call you, I don't need this anymore. I don't follow you, don't follow me this way. I don't feel the need to see you, I don't search for you at all. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, let it go. What are you looking for? Tell me what you're looking for. I felt so long you needed more. Please stop knocking at my door. What are you looking for? Tell me what you're looking for. I felt so long you needed more. You lonesome man, you lonesome man. 'Cause I don't live here anymore.
All the King's Daughters, Lonesome Man. Pretty good song, by the way. They were in the, what do you call it? They played with Ten Hot. But I wanted to do two different styles because some people apparently don't like up-tempo music. Although this is up-tempo as well, but if it doesn't have female voices, I like female voices, but some people really dislike non-female voices.